Do you ever feel like you're drowning in research papers with no idea how to organize them? Like, for example, you have 50 sources screaming for attention, but you have no clue where to start. Here's what nobody tells you about literature reviews. They're not about summarizing every single paper you've read. They're about building conversation between sources. And once you get the structure right, it basically writes itself. Hi, my name is Shane from the Jenny team, and today I am breaking down the exact framework that can help turn your chaotic mess of a paper to an A+1. First up, define your scope. This is your boundary line. Without it, you're gonna end up reading papers about Antarctic penguins when you're supposed to be reading about marketing strategies. Ask yourself, what years am I covering? What specific topic? What gets included and what doesn't? Here's my favorite trick. Write your research question on a sticky note and put it above your computer. If a source doesn't help answer that question, cut it out. Next, pick your organization style. You have 3 options here. First, thematic. This is where you group by concepts. Second, chronological. This is when you show how ideas evolve over time. And third, methodological. This is where you compare different research approaches. What you gotta do is pick one style and commit. Now here's where most people mess up. They skip the outline. Big mistake. Your outline is your roadmap. Start broad with headings like historical context, then current debates, then future directions. And under each section, list your main points and the sources that support them. Another way you can do this is through Jenny, our research writing workspace. You can simply type in what you're writing about. For example, a literature review about rice and its role in Southeast Asian economies and livelihoods. Keep organization style topics thematic. You can then select the Smart Headings option, which will give you tailored headings based on your chosen topic. These will all be automatically sorted thematically. When you're writing the actual review, remember that you're not just summarizing. You're identifying patterns, making connections, and evaluating evidence. Start each paragraph with a clear sentence that advances your argument. And don't forget to use transitions to connect ideas. And please, for the love of academic writing, paraphrase instead of dropping quotes everywhere. Your conclusion? That's where you highlight the gaps your research will fill. Make it clear why your work matters in the bigger conversation. Structuring a literature review is about organizing chaos into clarity. And with this framework, you've got everything you need to nail it. What's your biggest literature review challenge? Feel free to drop it in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to check out Jenny, linked in the description. Happy writing! Hi, Shane from Jenny here. Thank you for watching the video. Jenny is an all-in-one writing workspace that's designed specifically for students, researchers, and academics. Jenny helps you write with smart suggestions that include citations, manage all of your sources in one place, paraphrase your writing into any tone, and it also offers a smart Jenny chat, which is basically ChatGPT but tailored specifically for academics. You can try it out for free today. Link is in the description box. See you in the next video.